If your Chevy Silverado USB port has stopped charging or connecting, it is often a simple software or fuse issue. Studies show that the vast majority of these connectivity problems are resolved without replacing any hardware. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to bring your ports back to life. Start by cleaning the port and testing a different cable, then attempt a hard reset of your infotainment system. If the reset fails, check your cabin fuse box or look for loose wiring behind the dashboard console. You will need a basic set of plastic pry tools and a multimeter if you decide to check for power. While most fixes are simple, leave the HMI module replacement to the pros if the wiring is the issue. As you can see, checking the low-cost items first saves you significantly compared to module replacement. For advanced users, use an OBD-I scanner to check for communication errors between the radio and the USB module. Remember, always disconnect the battery before working on any electrical components to ensure your own safety. Thanks for watching, and check the description for a link to the specific fuse map for your model year.